Hello, I'm Mike Holland. I'm with Cross Companies Automation Group. Today I would like to talk to you a little bit about collaborative robots, where they're being used, how they're being used, and why they may be of interest to you. So where you have dull, dirty, dangerous, or you have people moving parts around, truly not adding value, then you are an ideal candidate for a collaborative robot. Just walk out and look at the floor and you'll see associates moving things around, filling boxes, adding boxes to a stack, putting boxes on pallets, sealing those boxes, all kinds of things. Or they're putting parts in a press, for example. When you see people doing that, they're really not adding value. They're not being utilized to their potential. There's so many things that a human can do that are much more valuable than just transport. The collaborative space has opened up so many more opportunities in the US for using robotics and applying that to automation, because it truly allows a robot to work hand in hand collaboratively with another human being. The great news for everyone is that in most of these collaborative applications, you're going to have an ROI we've seen as little as 6 months to 18 months. It's incredible the payback on it. And what a lot of folks don't realize is that unlike a human, when you have a human doing these really non-value add tasks, you're going to pay that person forever as long as that task is being done, unless you automate. But when you automate, particularly with a collaborative robot, you have not replaced that person, you have repurposed. They're able to do much more meaningful things and apply their talents, skills, and abilities. Whereas this robot is going to come in, you're going to install it one time, you're going to get your ROI, let's call it 10, 12 months, you get your ROI. At that point, that machine becomes a revenue generator and it actually adds value to your business year over year. And if you amortize that out 10 years, it's phenomenal what the return on these are. So, if you have had difficulty filling empty spots for associates who's working on the floor, you just can't fill them because you can't get enough people or you can't keep people in the position, I would suggest that you investigate collaborative robots and how they can fit into your automation systems. Please feel free to reach out to Cross Automation Group at any time for assistance. We offer services in plant walkthroughs so we can identify projects with you, as well as turnkey services for the complete sales.